I'm looking for some tweaks.
I'm a true hustler, Cassidy, somewhere out shit tweaking, bro. I'm sticking to the script. Niggas cuff a random bitch, then they switch up on you quick, like what they do to that and shit. What's up? It's your boy Cold and Who? Cold and Flu. Y'all know I like to wake people up and make them smell the coffee. We gotta do these videos.
So this neighbor downstairs doesn't like the noise that this neighbor upstairs is making. Let's see what happens.
I had that up too loud. My bad about the bad quality at the beginning.
Hello. Hey, just have a really nice question to ask you guys. I'm downstairs with my neighbor. We're trying to visit all morning long. All we're hearing is. Can you keep it quiet? Yeah, please.
Boy,
What would you say?
what would I say? Let me pause it. What would I say? I ain't gonna cap. It was a lot of feelings if y'all was reading my body language. I halfway thought she was stepping in, but it wasn't no need to escalate on that note. Kinda wanted to laugh at her because of she was tweaking right there, don't cap. But in reality, like on a real note, I don't know what to say. I mean, I guess we'll, be grown, be mature. She a tweaker. I just said she a tweaker. Give her the pass, bro. She ain't tweak too hard. She did. But give her a pass. Just give her a pass. It's been a lot going on in my life. I've been dealing with tweakers left and right. So give that little tweaker a little pass. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, if she come back in 5 minutes, you might have to say something. But give the tweaker a pass. Let the tweaker tweak.
Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Dang, Mexico. Come on. She got him. She all in the camera.
Looks
with
like
it,
she's
dog.
at the wrong house.
Oh, she got a fupa. I'm good. I know I sound messed
Homeowner
up.
says he doesn't know this lady.
She built like an Eminem lady.
Wrong house, lady.
Built like a bitch ass dude.
Mexico.
Why you even do that? What was the purpose? You just pull up and man, dog. Boy. I hope you get them plates or something. Cause that
Miami,
was some
Florida.
retarded
This guy
bullcrap.
kind of reminds me of Kanye West. He kind of got that Kanye West shaped head. Yeah.
Just take
Kanye
it, man.
East. Hey, get out of my mailbox, Kanye. Get lost. Albuquerque, New Mexico. So this lady knocks on someone's door late night saying that she found her daughter's location on her phone and she's looking for her daughter, but she's definitely at the wrong house. Let's see what happens.
Dang, that's stupid.
Hello? It's showing me that my daughter's location is here. I'm trying to find my daughter.
I'm really sorry, man, but I don't know where you're talking about. You are in the wrong address.
Have you seen like any teenagers around here that you know of, like that live around here? Because it's showing me that her last location was around, like here. Exactly what it's showing me.
Sorry, man, I need to let you know if you are looking for your daughter and she's lost or something, you may need to call the police. But not to come to somebody's home and try to get, information that we don't have.
This woman handling it the proper way.
All right, thank you.
No, well, that went properly. I mean, like she said,
Well
she
said.
shouldn't be, on God.
Rio
Well
Rancho,
said.
New Mexico.
Really nothing else to say.
Check this pirate out.
Is that a dog?
Yeah, it's not only humans.
Ah, freaking thief.
Seattle, Washington. Check him out.
That dog is a sinner.
Hey,
What's wrong with these people? Why you even do that? Where these people be
homeowner says
coming
he broke the
from?
window.
Where these people be coming from, bro? That's not even an NPC. NPCs don't behave like.
Meanwhile, in Portland.
Oh, she came back.
Is back.
She back, huh? Nah, turn up on this tweaker now, bro. Cause come on now.
Yeah,
Come
she
on
thought
now.
that was listen, if you want us to call the cops and report you for noise ordinance, because this goes on 24/7.
I have a toddler.
That's
You
what
can
we'll
call
do.
the police all you like because you
Oh.
can stay on my field.
Oh God,
Go
call
ahead
me.
and call the police so we can report it right now. I have a
Go right ahead.
call the cops.
Go right ahead. We have the right to live in a peaceful community, and you're
Go
out here
ahead. Go
banging
call the
around
cops.
Bro,
24/7.
so you gonna come kick my door? You
There was an apartment downstairs.
what would
you
I
have
do?
done in this scenario? Leave your feedback below. Wilmington, California. Yeah, she's on her late night shift.
They moving too fast. It's too much
Las
going
Vegas,
on.
Nevada.
What is he about to do?
Check this guy out. Creepy crawling along someone's fence. He then comes back and tries to act like he dropped something, but he ain't dropped nothing.
How you drop?
Pompano Beach,
the
Florida.
advertising.
Yeah, we got another dog.
Dang, these
pirate.
dogs
Hey,
really
come back with
thieving,
my
bro.
garden tool.
He's still in garden
Las Vegas,
supplies.
Nevada. Looks like we got a Bonnie and Clyde duo that just broke
Whoa.
inside of someone's house.
Oh, God,
yeah,
they
she
just
fixes
popped
her
in.
hair. She wants to look pretty on the camera. Yeah, we got you on camera, lady. Yeah, they see it. They see that camera. Yeah, he looks right at it. Yeah, that's why you need a cam master. They wouldn't have noticed the camera if you had something to cover it up and make it look more discreet. Hawthorne, California. Check her out.
There's some crazy stuff. I don't even know what to
Late
say on
night
that
shift
mission. You done already got robbed. I mean, you call the police and get them locked up though, low key, because they didn't have no mask on. So you taking that dub. What the heck? What y'all be stealing, bro? Like, what y'all be saying? Y'all hitting the lick or something?
Alcohol in
That wasn't no
California.
lick.
Yeah.
You stole
She's
a
on
light
a
or
late
something
night
stupid.
shift.
Like,
Looks like she's walking her dog too.
if she walking her dog too, she gonna get caught up easy because you probably,
Las Vegas,
the lady in the
Nevada.
community
Hey,
that
come back with my package.
What?
She's on a daytime
Y'all ain't-
shift.
y'all
Port
know-
Orange, Florida. Yeah, don't leave
Let
no
me talk
keys
to the
under your
thieves.
mat.
I be talking to the, the people who need the cameras. Obviously, y'all need a camera because this crap be going on. But let me talk
Marietta,
to the
Georgia.
thieves.
Oh yeah, this guy's bold.
Look
Check
at
him
them.
out.
They're just walking up, taking stuff. Yeah, I know everybody got a dang on doorbell camera. I guess they don't know because that's why they doing it like this.
Meanwhile, in Las
This is
Vegas.
crazy. This boy spit the block.
Yeah.
Ooh, almost
Yeah.
got bit up by
Get
the
out
little
my
dog.
backyard. Yeah.
Now, one thing I'ma say. This is exactly why you don't
Make sure you
need
thumbs
no
up this video.
goddamn ankle
Make sure you
biter.
subscribe if you haven't already.
I'm keeping it real.
New episode
I'm
coming
on my
tomorrow.
DJ Go stuff. You don't need an ankle biter.
Yeah.
If they had a pit bull, Rottweiler, German, Great Dane, Labrador, Gold Retriever, I could go on. They had any mid-size to big dog, boy, his foot, leg, boy, he would have been in your yard. And I'm not trying to entice no violence or nothing like that, but I'm saying, what the little ankle biter gonna do? I mean, for little weak-minded, little soft individuals like him, it worked. But rolling a dice, your probability is very small on that note. Just like your dog, your probability is small. You need to increase them chances with the at-home security. I'm just keeping it real. Y'all need some firearms. All type of stuff. Cause they kicking at your door on some mad stuff, and then most of them just little tweakers. Like, why was he even in the yard? What was he picking up dirt? I don't know what was going on with that scenario, but I'm gonna end it off with that. But like I say, get them home security cameras. Get the real deal ones. I said in the last video, you get the little, cheap route. That's just an alternative until you get the ones that really surround your house. But get good cameras, get home defense weapons, and get some good dogs. Some decent sized dogs, I should say. Yeah, the dogs ain't really necessary, but if you're gonna have them, don't get no ankle biter, bro. I mean, you could get it if you really just love ankle biters, I guess, but get you if you want, get a big dog, man. It's Code and Who, Code and Flu. Until then, I'll see you next time. It's Code and Who, Code and Flu. Until then, I'll see you next time.
I'm about to show you guys how to break into it. I'm looking for some tweaks.